My second trip.
This is the best part of coming here. It really helps us and our players more than it helps these kids, just to see them smile. And we've been doing it for over 30 years. We've been coming to upstate, and every year you see kids, and later you see some of them later when they become adults, and they're doing good, and that's a great thing. It's great to be just a small part of this.
Thank you so much, guys. Say hi.
Oh, the strongest kids, and like I said earlier, it really puts in perspective of, we might think that we're struggling or have a hard practice or a game, but what these kids go through day in and day out, it makes what we do, a piece of cake, really. So, it is fun to come here and hang out with them and just put a smile on their face.
Feels good when you can come out and brighten somebody's day, especially these kids are probably the most deserving of it, so anything we could do to come down and help.
What they're going through, they're pretty strong kids.
Yeah, definitely. For them just to be able to smile, shows they have a lot of perseverance and a lot of heart.
I think it's important for our guys to understand that there's a bigger picture. Obviously with the stage that we get to perform on and how important we are for the Central New York area and what it means to give back. I think it's important for our guys to see this. It's important for us to come here and give back to so many great people that have meant so much to our success. So. To come here and see what the struggles are on a daily basis for some families it's heartbreaking in reality, and for us to come back and hopefully bring a little bit of sunshine and hopefully a little bit of joy to their day is something very small on a bigger scale.